Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, running large language models locally on your machine using Ollama and OpenWebUI. So whether you are on a Mac or Linux system or even Windows, I'll walk you through the entire process, from installation to running your first model. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up Ollama, install OpenWebUI, and interact with powerful AI models right from your browser, and obviously no cloud required. So if you're ready to take control of your AI experiment, let's get started. So what is Ollama? Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly talk about Ollama and OpenWebUI. Ollama is a lightweight open source tool that allows you to run large language models like Llama, Mistral, or other locally on your machine. It's designed to be simple, efficient, making it perfect for developers and AI enthusiasts. OpenWebUI, on the other hand, is a user-friendly interface that works with Ollama. It provides a ChatGPT-like experience in your browser, so you can interact with your locally hosted models without needing to use the command line. Together, they make it incredibly easy to experiment with AI models offline, giving you full control over your data and privacy. So let's start by installing Ollama. I'll show you how to do this on every OS. So let's click on the download. For macOS, just click on this and it will download a zip file. Then you just need to unzip it and install it like other apps. And it's done. For Linux, you just need to copy this file and open terminal and enter this, and you are okay with it. But make sure to set up the NVIDIA CUDA, okay, or else it will not work properly. And for Windows, it's like the same. Just click on the download and you are done. Since I'm a Mac user, so I'll download it from here, and I have already downloaded it. So let's open the terminal. So let's check the installation, whether it is done or not. Here you can see that I have this. So it means I have installed the Ollama. So before installing a specific model, let's go to the models page. Here you can see different models which can do different tasks. So if you look at the Llama 3.2, which is here, it's quite lightweight. It has both 1 billion and 3 billion version. Here you can see the Llama 3.21. It has 8 billion, 70 billion and 400 billion parameters. Well, the 400 billion parameters is quite large, so it's quite tough to run it on your device. You need a proper setup, like with multiple GPUs, like NVIDIA H100, A100 or RTX 6000 Ada. It's quite expensive. Well, so let's use the lightweight model, Llama 3.2. It's so small that you can run it even on your edge devices like your phone. So you can see the file is around 2 GB and it can do instruction following, summarization, prompt rewriting, and tool use. By default, if you want to install this model, you just need to copy this one and run it on the terminal. But if you want to use the 1 billion model, you have to use Ollama 3.2 1B. So if I copy this command and enter it in the terminal, well, I have already downloaded the model. If you don't have the model downloaded, this command will automatically download it from the internet. So don't need to get panicked. Here you can see that it shows send a message. So if I say, who are you? See, it's already showing the answer. If I write another thing, See, this is so fast. Well, to let you know, I have a MacBook Pro M4 Pro which has around 24 gigabytes of unified memory. So this is why it's working so fast. But if you have a lower-end device, it should also run. While the terminal interface is great, but OpenWebUI makes the experience even better by giving you a sleek browser-based interface. So let's install it. So for that, we need to go to the GitHub page, which is this. And if you go through it, you can see this command. You just need to install it through pip in the terminal and run this command. As I have already installed OpenWebUI through pip, I just need to run this command. So if I make another window, I have used Conda to install the OpenWebUI, so I need to go to that environment. Now just paste it and voila, it's working. Okay, now I have to go to the localhost with 8080 port. Here's the code. You can, if I enter here, I have already created an account. So if you didn't create an account, write sign up and just write your name, email, and password, and you are good to go. So if I sign in, now I'm logged in. So here you can see I had already some chats with Ollama. Now let's get back to the Ollama. If I stop the model, I just need to press Control D. So if you want to see how many models you have installed, you can just write I have downloaded 3 models earlier, and recently DeepSeek really outperformed the OpenAI's O1 model, so I was just checking it. So now as you can see that I stopped the model. If I reload this page, it has some models. So I have installed 3.2. So let's test our setup by asking the model a few questions. For example, if I write you can see it was quite fast, and it's pretty cool, right? So if you hover it on here, you can see the response time is very fast. It took only 4 seconds to complete the response. Even here, you can control this by tweaking parameters and even build custom workflows, all locally on the machine. If you see here the temperature, you can change it to any value from 0 to 1 to make the model more creative. Even you can make it read.
Machine learning is a type of computer science that helps computers learn and improve on their own, without being explicitly programmed. Imagine your
Now if I say, this is a sample code, and it's for a linear regression model that predicts house prices based on the number of rooms, which is a typical problem for machine learning enthusiasts. So, and that's it. You have successfully installed Ollama, set up OpenWebUI, and run a model locally on your Mac, Linux, and Windows. This setup is perfect for anyone who wants to explore AI without relying on cloud services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on AI and machine learning. Got any questions or suggestions for future videos? Please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.